In years 6, 4, and 1 respectively at the Berkshire prep school, the royal children are well received by their peers. Louis, known for his cheeky antics, continues to entertain, while George and Charlotte are adored for their kindness and friendliness. According to a source, Princess Charlotte stands out for her outgoing, talkative, and opinionated nature, displaying confidence reminiscent of her early preschool days. The source also highlights Prince William and Catherine's hands-on parenting approach, noting their active involvement in their children's extracurricular activities. Even when the couple cannot attend a sports match, their nanny ensures the children are well supported. Princess Charlotte's confidence is evident in her adorable school photos and her trend-setting style, drawing attention to her various hairstyles. From the cute half-up, half-down looks to the plaited pigtails, her hair choices resonate well with both her friends and fans. Additionally, Princess Charlotte has showcased her language talent by speaking some Spanish influenced by Nanny Maria Ton Balo, who hails from Spain. While she often appears effortlessly glamorous, Princess Charlotte's mom, Catherine, has candidly shared the morning struggles of getting her ready for school, particularly with intricate hairstyle. Despite these challenges, Charlotte continues to sport charming hairstyles such as a section tied back with a French plait and a burgundy ribbon during festive engagements. In 2021, there were concerns about a controversial beauty treatment, and she also inherited the adorable hair flipping habit from her mom. Despite occasional difficulties, both Princess Catherine and Princess Charlotte have proven to be a popular duo on social media, featuring prominently in the most liked posts on the Prince and Princess of Wales Instagram account. As the year unfolds, royal fans eagerly anticipate more glimpses of Princess Charlotte and the other royal children in 2024.